I'm going to make this the quickest highlight of all time, and I'm not going to pull this chart back. I'm going to just show you same example of this happened around 10 Central, where you get a swing high, swing high, swing high. This was another example around 11. How many times do you think it's going to hold? There are buy stops above. We talk about that before it happens. Then you get some sellers that can't get it to go down. So you got order flow, you got structure, you got consolidation box, you got how many times you think. So, and this is, a pretty decent rally through that box and keeps you from being short in a way. And then also when you talk about what not to be, we've had a couple examples of that this morning, but then you look at this, it's like when you jump back into that box, near term, you scratch your head as to it being able to turn around right away and go. It's going to have to dance sideways before it returns to strength when and if it returns to strength. But you start to get a different person in control on this time frame when you jump back in the box. And that's the box. You jump out of it, you jump back into it. And it's real time, turning hindsight into real time in here, instead of saying, oh, it's weak and it's going to test the bottom way down here. Anybody could see that and make that assessment. And so, that's what's key. Also, what's key are keep your eyes and ears. Now, Lombardi came out early on us at like 11:10 Central. It was coming out in the 12, not Lombardi, the Italian numbers are coming out, their national numbers at noon Central, come out 11. And it's probably because did Europe move up an hour? Either way, it came out and kind of confirming maybe, a flattening. I shouldn't put that arrow, but maybe a flattening and some lowest numbers in a couple weeks as they try to see if they're getting on top of it. Like I've been telling people, you got to have the first 2 or 3 days of a flattening top at some point, right? And maybe they're into it. Then U.S. numbers come out around the same time. You could see these Italian numbers that came out 10 after 11 Central, up 4%, up 5 versus 5% yesterday. And that was down day over day, right? So then the deaths went up 7.5%. So they're not necessarily getting deaths to double or triple. Obviously, smaller inclines before you get declines is what you need for the pattern of any chart. Good luck. Stay safe. And always think about exercises that get you comfortable and confident, sharpening your predictive skills so it doesn't feel like a guess when you're right.